Captain's log, stardate 95-885.57 at Target Field. First pitch in about an hour and a half. So let's go look at the gates and see if we can see some batting practice. I think they're gonna have it. As you can see, there is one dedicated couple waiting at the gate, gate 34. They seem to always be here. Rain, snow, sunshine, doesn't matter. They just are always here, dedicated Twins fans to the maximum. How's it going? And as I walk up, taking a, oh, wow, whoa, do you see? Oh man, so many balls flying right now. I don't know if you can see all those white specks, but it looks like they're taking a lot of BP. I'm guessing everyone's hitting right now because they are all over the place. I was lucky enough to score one interview with this brave Twins fan, Kelvin Griffith. Kelvin, say nothing if you think today's game is going to be postponed. Well, there you have it. No game today. All right, I'm going to be honest with you. I don't think there's a game today. Something about it, there's a hunch. They didn't have it yesterday. I'm guessing. I don't know what says it, but I'm guessing just for the fans, precautionary, they're not going to have it today. Perfect day for a baseball game, but sometimes you have days that are just too nice for baseball. And unfortunately in Minnesota, we're having a nice spell of that right now. I better go do the right thing and, you know, put my 2 cents in and try to shift what's going to go on tomorrow. I think that they can have the game, but it might take some intercession on my part. Hey, I told you we needed a little intercession, so let's go say a few prayers to baby Jesus, baby Jesus. Yeah. Let's go in there and pray that they play tomorrow.
Jesus, we got a favor for you. Can we play some baseball tomorrow? Yeah, Sunday. We need a miracle. Just one miracle, please. Please.
And now a word from this episode's unofficial, not a sponsor, Wedge Community Co-op. When 12 to 15 inches of snow has you trapped at home and binging Netflix, visit Wedge Community Co-op for all your munchies and, dinner, lunch, breakfast plans. Wedge Community Co-op, Minneapolis. And I almost forgot to mention, not only am I a customer, but I'm an owner.
No God!
Okay, that may have been an overreaction, slightly. But really, I don't know. Third straight game that's canceled due to snow. 4 games in the month of April. Out of 10, 40% canceled. Where's spring? Where are the boys of summer? I think the Twins made the right call though, canceling Sunday. I've seen cars that can't even just drive down the street. Not even getting in accidents or anything. It's too much snow. We're used to it here, but at the same time we're not. This isn't normal. In the blizzard, and it is a blizzard, along with more than a foot of snow in April just doesn't happen around here. But we're going to set a record for biggest snowfall in the month of April, as well as most snowfall for an entire month of April, and we're only halfway through. I hope this is the end, but I doubt it. As long as no more games get canceled though, I don't care. I'm ready for California. Let's fast forward to May 6th, and hopefully now you can watch those videos of me in sunny California.